Every great story begins with a risk, not with comfort, not with safety, but with a leap into the unknown. Think about it. Every hero you've admired, every success you've dreamed about, started with a decision to step into uncertainty. The question is, will you? Risk scares us because it threatens what we already have. We fear losing our money, our reputation, our stability, sometimes even the approval of people we care about. We've been trained since childhood to avoid danger, to stay in our lane, to do what's safe. But here's the brutal truth. Safety never changed the world. No one ever became a legend by playing it safe. You can live your entire life avoiding risk, but you will also avoid greatness. Let's be honest, playing it safe feels good in the short term. You get to avoid failure, avoid embarrassment, avoid discomfort. But long term, it's a slow death. Every day you choose safety, a little piece of your potential dies. And one day, you'll look back and realize you didn't live. You just existed. The truth is, failure is temporary. Regret is forever. And regret is the heaviest thing you'll ever carry. Risk is not the enemy. Risk is the gatekeeper to your best life. Every business empire was built on risk. Every groundbreaking invention came from someone who risked being wrong. Every love story began when someone risked rejection. Think of Elon Musk risking his last dollars on SpaceX and Tesla. Oprah Winfrey risking her career to launch her own network. Or the countless immigrants who left their home countries with nothing but hope to build a new future. They all had one thing in common. They understood that without risk, there is no reward. Now, I'm not telling you to jump without looking. There's a difference between courage and recklessness. Here's how you take smart risks. 1. Know your why. If your reason isn't strong enough, fear will win. 2. Do your homework. Risk with preparation beats blind luck every time. 3. Accept the worst case scenario. If you can survive it, you can take the risk. 4. Start small, scale big. Risk doesn't always mean quitting your job tomorrow. It can start with one small, bold step today. You weren't born to hide in the shadows. You weren't put on this earth just to pay bills and die. You were made to grow, to build, to create, to inspire. And that will only happen if you take risks. So, here's my challenge to you. Within the next 24 hours, do one thing that scares you. One thing that moves you closer to your dream. One thing that makes your heart race. Because one day, you'll look back and you'll realize the greatest risk you ever took was believing in yourself. This is your life. Take the risk or lose the chance.